Reality check man from your device today, you know, it's your aromatic realistic TV. Anyway, people, without any further ado, I just want to bring you back down memory lane. And I'm bringing you back to the, to the pandemic. When the Prime Minister of Jamaica go and fake the vaccine and say that him take the joke. But me and you know that he did not. Because if he did, why was that nurse hiding the needle from the camera? You couldn't see it. See? So I have two clips to show. I'm going to show one with the Prime Minister, and then I'm going to show another clip with another doctor doing a demonstration and a patient. And we want to see if these two demonstrations, the vast different. Because what the Prime Minister was doing was basically a demonstration. That was a clown show. So, we're going to take a look.
Prime Minister, 0.5 is the dosage. Sending a public signal. 12 days after the first Jamaican was vaccinated on local soil, the Prime Minister was inoculated. Security, health officials, jostling journalists, the expected scenery. His wife and Member of Parliament, Juliet, also got the vaccine. It was fleeting and light-hearted. But when Mr. Lincoln was vaccinated on local soil, the Prime Minister was inoculated. Security, health officials.
So that was the Prime Minister of Jamaica. Pretend that he get a job. Now I'm going to show you this doctor as he demonstrate on another patient. Take it away.
Part of the deltoid, typically located about 3 fingers inferior to the acromion. Disinfect the selected area. The injection site should be completely dry before injection. Put on gloves while waiting for the site to dry. Remove the cap and expel larger air bubbles from the syringe. Small amounts of residual air do not pose a risk to the patient. Hold the deltoid muscle with your non-dominant hand without lifting the subcutaneous tissue. Hold the syringe between thumb and forefinger roughly like a dart. Encourage the patient to distract themselves from the pain by coughing or holding their breath. Quickly pierce the skin perpendicular to the surface. The standard puncture depth is about 2 centimeters, or 3/4 of an inch, but this should be adapted to the thickness of adipose tissue. Aspiration before injection is no longer considered necessary, so quickly inject the syringe content. Remove the needle.
It's the vast difference, man.
Into the sharps container.
Difference, man.
Don't attempt to recap the needle. Wipe on.
So anyway, that was that. And we see the two demonstrations clearly. But my thing is that, in the heights of the pandemic, when the Jamaican people back were against the wall, were in a frenzy, they don't know what was going on. So there, and then they were looking for the Prime Minister as a strong leader to stand up, in their best interests. But what the Prime Minister do, the Prime Minister actually fake the whole thing. Go into this booth and fake like him take the job, and he did not take the job. Then he was trying to encourage Jamaicans to go out there and take the job. So I'm saying, if you're dealing with transparency, everything that you are doing, it must be clear to your citizen as crystal. So no one can go there so go draw one different, opinion or so forth. Man can say, yeah, I see the Prime Minister take it. Understand? So yeah, I go and take it too. But likewise, it's a different thing. So I'm saying, this is the nurse. This is the thing. And we can't see it. Because the nurse set him on like this. See? Nurse set him on like this and hide everything. Quick, just quick release, pull out. Now, when the man was demonstrating, when the man insert the needle, you see him push it down in the hand and then him release syringe down in the man's hand. A different thing from what the Prime Minister do. You understand what I say? When me I go to school, and them come to school if you come give me that, they say, yeah, roll up your sleeve. See? Roll up your sleeve. Them wipe it down and use one of them hand, hold it, and then them use the thing and just push it through, just force that down in our hand. We never see them do that to the Prime Minister. She actually hide it, brother. Hide it. Why would you hide? Why would you hide the needle? Why would you hide it? If you are saying that it's all about transparency and you want Jamaica now to go and take this thing, then you would make it clear as crystal. Because we don't want to bring no doubt in the people's mind. But from the moment you start to hide the thing, brother, doubt have to come in at the people's mind. Because if something is wrong, why would you hide it? If something wasn't wrong, why would you hide it? You hide it because you know there's something wrong. They hide it because you know, say, boy, you not really do nothing. And I'm just saying, who can you trust in Jamaica? You can't trust no heads of government under this administration. Everything bought. Everything is bought under this administration, brother. So who you go trust? When the nurse and tough and them and everybody stand up in the place, they laugh around and they trick the Jamaican people. Deceiving the Jamaican people once more. Trying to win the Jamaican people, buy them over for buying something what you yourself did not do. You want them to buy into this and go take this job what you yourself did not do. It is plain and clear as crystal. You did not take it, brother. We're not stupid, they did not take it. If you take the thing, why them hide it? See the thing here? You hide it from the camera and fold your hand like this. And do one, just one quick something like this and come so. We not even see when you take your hand and force down the something down in the hand. You never do that. So who can we trust? The Prime Minister that we the people of Jamaica elect and give him a mandate to work in the best interest of us, to serve on our behalf at all times. And him out there on the front line, you know, to serve and to protect us. You understand? And we cannot take the Prime Minister's words. We can't take the Prime Minister's words. Because the Prime Minister is telling us to do something what him himself did not do. What his wife did not do. But you are trying to convince us to go and take this thing when you know within yourself you did not take it. If you take that shot, sir, then why was the nurse have her hand there, hiding it from the camera? If we are dealing with transparency and we want to send a clear picture to the Jamaican people, for them to go there and do that, right? Then we want it to be clear as a crystal. So if the thing is not clear as a crystal, automatically from the get-go, it is telling us that something is wrong. Something is off. Something is way off. Because if you are demonstrating something, you want it to come across the entire nation. You know that people is already skeptic of the thing. And then you're gonna go there and make it more even cloudier. You're gonna go there now, you know, and make the thing even more cloudier. You make the water even more murky. So what kind of example are you setting for us? Because if you just go right there so and go lie, blatant lie to us, so you take a thing, and you know within yourself so you did not take the thing. So you are forcing us and trying to convince us to go and buy into something that you yourself did not buy into because you did not take it. It's plain as crystal. We are not stupid. We see what they're going right there, sir. We see what was going on right there. You understand? So, I'm just saying, brother, who can you trust? I don't trust nothing in Jamaica, brother. Nothing under this administration. Everything is being bought. Everything is being bought, brother. Everything has been bought. Trust and believe. There's no joke about it. This was like a clown show. Anyway, I'm just here to remind the people to understand the human algorithm. Because I want these things to stay out there in the atmosphere, lingering around. So whenever I want to see these people, these things pop up in our radar, I want to just know them and see them for who them are. And know so them no rate and care and respect them. It's just all about them and them agenda. That's what I mean. Anyway, remember, like and share. Follow the thing. Follow the movement. Because the movement is here to stay. That's what I mean. We say God and good road. We say no man is an island. And none of us can stand alone. Are united we're going to stand, or divided we're going to fall. Treat your fellow man with respect. At all times. At all times, bro. Struggle is real. But we have to just deal with it. There's better days coming. Better days is coming, man. So anyway, until then, we chat again. You don't know. Aromatic Realistic TV. I'm out. Peace.